Creating the perfect form often involves a lot of tweaking, adding fields, customizing its preference, or adjusting settings. But what if you accidentally delete something important or just want to keep an earlier version of that form? That's where Fluent Forms Edit History feature comes in. Let's dive into how it works. Let's open the form that has been created and edited earlier with Fluent Forms. Once you are here, look for the Edit History button in the top toolbar. It's your gateway to every saved version of your form. Clicking this button opens up a panel on the right side of your screen. Here, you will see a timeline of all the saved versions of your form. Each entry represents a snapshot of your form at that moment. Now, here's a cool feature. Hover over any version in the list, and you will see a preview of how the form looked at that time. This is super helpful if you are trying to remember what changes you made or just want to compare versions. This way, you can double-check exactly what changes will be applied. Once you are sure, hit the restore button. Your form will instantly revert to that version, and you can continue editing from there. It works just like your undo button of a field, but in this case, it's even better. This feature isn't just about fixing mistakes. It's about flexibility. You can experiment with different layouts, test new fields, or even collaborate with the team, knowing you can always go back to a previous version if needed. So, whether you are a perfectionist or just someone who likes to play it safe, Fluent Forms Edit History has got your back. It's simple, intuitive, and a total lifesaver.